In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by accessing Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. This one. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it, and if you want to mute the music, tap on Consent and click on Note icon at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finish, click at the top right one. Then bottom right one, set as live wallpaper, yes, and set wallpaper. Now just apply it wherever you want to, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!